Hello and welcome guys. In today's episode we're going to be looking at a new Bitcoin indicator which seems to allude to a continuation of this latest rally, as well as a bullish Bitcoin halving prediction of 55k per BTC and whether or not that's actually possible. But first, unavoidably, we're looking at the charts, and it's really good to see Bitcoin up steadily past 10k for the first time in a while, with a rough intraday gain of 4% and looking fairly strong. Hopefully this strength is set to continue because, as I mentioned, there is a new indicator coming from the analytical mind of Willy Woo, which suggests this Bitcoin rally might continue. So the indicator essentially predicts Bitcoin's movements based on how much Bitcoin miners are selling. So it monitors this via what is dubbed a difficulty ribbon seen here, which tracks miner capitulation. Basically those smaller miners that are forced to throw in the towel because their mining operations are unsustainable. And as they do this, hashing power and network difficulty reduce, leaving room for the bigger miners who don't need to sell as much, which as a result increases price to the upside. So Wu noted that this trajectory, the trajectory of this indicator is similar to the bull run in 2012, meaning that we could be at the start of a major rally. I mentioned Wu in my last videos actually, where he noted that come 2020 we would be in for a sustainable bull run, and that seems to indicate that this could be the start, and he's very bullish right now. And someone else who is extremely bullish is CNBC host Joe Kernan, a budding Bitcoin advocate who just seems to get more and more bullish with every episode, and this time he's predicted Bitcoin to hit 55k by the May 2020 halving.
Bitcoin, the next halving is in May of 2020, and do you have an indication of 55,000?
Oh gosh, 55,000.
That's what.
Is that right?
It's dropped now under 10. We're like 9300
95, yeah.
$100.
You know,
but the next halving
it's a major base breakout on the chart.
You look at stock flow. I'm just saying this for some of the
Bitcoin believers.
Yeah, the maximalists. But yeah, 55 and after the next halving, which would be around May of 2020. What are you laughing at? It sounds.
I'm just laughing at how this just seems like this is the rule. It's just the way it goes. It gets cut in half, and then it goes up.
I was kidding to ask Katie about that.
I know.
But
Then it goes up 10x. It's just the way it goes.
Look at a couple. I'll send you some stuff.
I love that part. I love how he says, "I'll send you some stuff." Because he's fully in the rabbit hole now. When he mentions stock to flow, I believe he's referring to the crypto analyst PlanB, who noted that Bitcoin could hit 55k by its halving in 2020 based on its stock to flow ratio. Now the stock to flow ratio is basically a measure of an asset's scarcity based on its supply and inflation, and this model is used within gold and silver to measure their value. So this is a really detailed post where the analyst gives Bitcoin a stock to flow ratio, or SF, of 25, which essentially translates to Bitcoin taking 25 years to duplicate its current circulating supply. Now, as a comparison, gold has an SF of 62. Typically, the higher the SF, the higher the market value. But here's the kicker, because Bitcoin is on track to gaining an SF of 50 post-halving, making it much more scarce and giving Bitcoin that price of 55k per BTC, derived from a market cap of 1 trillion. According to the analyst. I suggest you checking out this post yourselves. Actually, it goes into a lot more detail, but be careful because you'll likely find yourself in the same rabbit hole as Kernan. But to be fair, though, if everyone was as bullish as this guy, we'd probably be at 55k already. But that's about it, guys. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.